After a couple of difficult years, manufacturing is roaring back in the US. There's a lot to be optimistic about. Consumers are consuming again, fueling high demand. Manufacturers in many facets of the industry are reporting a big uptick in orders. But that doesn't mean there aren't any challenges.
I think all the CEOs would say, I wish I only had 5 challenges. The world has created more challenges now, such as COVID-19, fallout, the great resignation, remote work environment, supply chains, security issues, data breaches, inflation, rising costs, geopolitical. I can go on and on. I term these challenges as disruptions versus problems because the CEO now is forced to change the status quo. I prefer to focus on what the best-of-breed CEOs have been doing in the various segments. They're looking at this as a transformational change and not transitory. In order for the company to achieve their financial goals, such as accelerating growth in sales, gross margin, profitability. There's also a challenge streamlining the business. Customers want faster decisions, quicker policies, quicker decisions. And the old legacy systems are slow, they're burdensome, and it impacts quick decision-making, forecasting, policies that customers, your employees, and your partners want to see.
For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.